Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we are going to show you how to create online and offline notifications using the rule engine. So let's go. So we are in our cold chain monitoring workspace, and we will create some online and offline rules for the devices that we have in here, which are fridges, and they measure, of course, the temperature of the fridges, and we also have some other stuff in there. So we will go to the rule engine, and as you can see, we have already a rule in here. This was created by Simon, and he created a webhook to Discord, so he sends the temperature alerts to Discord. We can talk about that on another video if you are in the mood, so just write in the comments. But in this case, we will create two different rules for giving us or sending us an online and an offline notification. So the offline notification is when the device passes the offline time frame that you set on the device's configuration. Then the device will be marked as offline. The little green point next to the device will go gray, and that means that the device hasn't been sending data for an amount of time. So in this case, we will create one for the offline status of the devices. We will select the fridge product, and as you can see, all of the fridges are inside of the rule, so that's perfect. If you have a white label site, remember to select your white label site under branding so that the notifications get sent through your own email. You can also select the time zone, and we will scroll down a little bit, and as trigger we will select if the device goes offline, not online, offline. And this one is when the online timeout gets passed or exceeded, then the rule will be triggered. So we will not have any conditions on this rule. We will just add an action, and we will send an email notification. Of course, you can send also SMS or webhook notifications. And in here, I'm gonna add myself as the receiver, and I'm gonna say this specific device activated the rule with the name of the rule. So that's why you should be mindful with what kind of name you set on the rule. You can use these placeholders to configure the email. So there, this is an automatic notification to inform you that the device, it will tell you which one activated the rule, this one. That means the device went offline. Please take action. Point. Add new action. And now I'm gonna save that. And that's the offline notification. Now I'm going to add an online notification. And this one, again, with the same time zone and branding, and to the same product. Again, all of the fridges are inside of it. And now I'm gonna select device goes online. So after being offline, if it goes online again, then this will be triggered, no condition again, and as an action again an email. So I'm going to set myself as the receiver, and I'm going to configure this one. That means the device is online again. So add new action and save. And there you have it. You have online and offline notifications. Now I'm going to shortly go to the device to show you where to set or how to see what's the online timeout. So when you go to the device and you click on configuration and you scroll down a little bit, you will see that you have an product configuration, and there you have an online timeout. In this case, it is 40 minutes. So when the device is not sending for 40 minutes, then the device will be set as offline. So what is the benefit of using the rule engine for this is that you can set as many receivers as you want. In this case, of course, I added my own email address as the receiver, but I can add Carolina, I can add Ipti, and I can add Simon to this rule. So all of us will receive the online and offline notifications. So that was it. We just configured online and offline rules on our new rule engine for a batch of several devices, and these in less than 5 minutes. So I hope this was useful. Let us know in the comments if you are interested or have any more questions in another video about this video. And yeah, we are happy to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned.